Hey everybody, this is Tracy here with another edition of A View from Tracy's Point with a quick update on the hearing that took place today regarding R. Kelly and his legal representation. And if you guys haven't checked out my video from this morning, please go ahead and do so, and I will drop the link above, because basically what this hearing came down to was allegations or information, shall I say, regarding Nicole Becker Blank and her relationship with Azriel Clary and Jocelyn. And so you can get all that information above. I'm not going to rehash that, but I'm going to give you a quick update on what happened at the hearing today that Judge Ann Donnelly conducted with the attorneys, and R. Kelly joined via a video conference call. And so this information is coming from John Seidel, who is a reporter with the Chicago Sun-Times. And it says that a federal judge in New York questioned a member of R. Kelly's legal team Thursday about her ties to a girlfriend of the R&B star and an alleged victim in the federal racketeering indictment filed against him in Brooklyn, according to Mike Leonard, who is the one that is talking to John Seidel and giving him an update on what happened at the hearing today. And so it says that amid the turmoil with Kelly's legal team, the singer's Chicago-based attorneys Steve Greenberg and Michael Leonard asked to withdraw from the case about 2 months before the trial is scheduled to start. And I will also drop the link to where I talked about that above. And in the hearing, that they had last week, Mr. Kelly confirmed that he wanted to keep Nicole Becker and Thomas Farinella, who is an appeals attorney out of New York, on his case. And he confirmed that again today, if I'm understanding this correctly, that he still wants to move forward with them, even though this information, is coming out. And it says that Kelly confirmed to the judge he preferred to move forward with attorneys Thomas Farinella of New York and Nicole Blank Becker of Michigan. Farinella and Becker did not immediately comment on Thursday's hearing. And so Mike Leonard told the Sun-Times that Judge Donnelly spent about a half hour of the hearing questioning Becker about her ties to Kelly's girlfriend, Jocelyn Savage, and the victim identified in Kelly's New York indictment, who we know is Azriel Clary, although she's referred to as Jane Doe number 5. But it doesn't go into specifics as to what questions were asked. I'm sure that information is going to come out unless the judge ordered them not to talk about the specific questions and answers that she received. And the judge Donnelly didn't make any ruling according to Mike Leonard, but however, she has appointed an independent attorney to advise Mr. Kelly on how to proceed as far as his attorneys are concerned, and that R. Kelly is also expected to meet with that attorney in person in New York sometime in the next few weeks. And so what this means is that they are about to expedite his transfer from the Chicago MCC to New York. And that was another one of the issues that had came up. The judge wants him in New York, but the prosecutors were okay with allowing him to stay in Chicago for as long as possible, because that was his request, that he didn't want to move until he actually had to. And they had worked with the marshal's office, who said that they would try to get him there a week before the trial. But now that all of this is going on with the attorneys, Judge Donnelly wants him in New York. She's assigned a special attorney who is going to be advising him until she can make a ruling on who would be his representative. And there's no information stating whether or not this is going to cause a delay in the trial. Judge Donnelly has already said she doesn't want to delay the trial. She is anticipating starting on August 9th. I'm not sure how that's going to play out, because if we have all this going on with the attorneys, then who is actually meeting and working with him at this time? And will this special attorney be able to help him with this case, or are they only there to advise him on what he should be doing as far as his legal representation? And so this story just continues to get more confusing as it goes along. And so now the marshal's office are basically working on how to get him to New York as soon as possible so that he can meet with this new attorney. It doesn't say who the independent attorney will be, what their, trial history is. Are they a defense attorney that works on RICO cases and these type of charges that he's facing? Or is it someone who's just in a mediator role, who is just going to, assure him that somebody is there to listen to him? And then we know that Nicole lives in Michigan. The Thomas Farinella guy, he is in New York. But how is this going to impact them? Because one of the reasons they wanted to keep him in Chicago for as long as possible was so that the attorneys could meet with him and go over his case and all of those things. So it seems like all of that is going to be in limbo as he moves closer to trial. So just want to bring you this quick update. Go ahead, leave your comments below, rate the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And until the next time, I shall talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.